We have been best friends for 20 odd years. So let's see if we can stand each other for the next 24 hours.
Oh, it's 很烧哦，我的脚好像被烧出了。
Hi!
My name is Lucia.
And I'm Alicia, and today we are down for the 24 hours handcuff challenge.
So how do you feel?
I don't know, excited, happy, I don't know. I don't know what to expect.
I feel very nervous because she is very accident prone and I'm not. So who knows, she might drag me down to a fall later.
Means I fall, she falls too.
Okay, so the rules are number 1, to stay handcuffed for 24 hours, and number 2, emergency separation only.
Number 3, no switching of hands, and 4, we have to vlog at least once every hour except when we are asleep. Alright, so ready?
Ready?
Let's go!
Alright,
Handcuffs on!
Alright, so are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go!
Let's go now.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, I don't know what to expect. Oh, I have a back pain, so I'll take a
I
walk.
am walking the dog.
No.
Right.
Hi guys! It's 3. So
And
it's
we
our
just
first
left.
vlog. It's our first vlog, we just left.
The studio, we are going to the doctor's first.
Yes, I need to go see TCCP because I injured my back. I kind of sprained my back, so I'm walking pretty slowly right now. Fun?
First was
talk
the
about
jacket.
Yeah, talk about the jacket.
No, because like I had my jacket on yesterday, so
How? You tell me how? Cut away my jacket, I think.
it was very warm because I waited for her treatment, her queue. Waited so long, it was very hot, so I tried to remove, but I cannot remove. Like how we tried,
Just
I
stuck here,
tried
you
to
know?
go the other side, also cannot. Then I make her wear the jacket, also cannot.
I'm wearing a jacket. Stupid,
So,
right? She asked me to wear the jacket.
I have to wait until end of the day when we finish the entire day.
When we're about to bathe,
Yeah, then I
and
can
she
remove
it.
She just started her treatment and the doctor was very nice. She shifted me in. So I'm like very with her right now. Stuck in this small area. It's not even 10 minutes and I'm feeling very bored. Yeah, very uncomfortable.
And now we're walking back to her house to get her clothes and back to my place and put her things.
We're gonna watch movie.
No, dinner first, then movie.
Yeah, we're gonna interview our parents later.
Bo boy side take out, cannot take out. Ah, very pain.
We say hi.
Oma!
Huh?
Mami, are you shocked that you see this?
Why you all put this on for what?
Because
It's a challenge.
yes. How do you feel?
Like do long thing long.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Mommy! Mommy!
What happened?
Huh?
What
This
happened?
is the handcuff challenge I told you about.
Easy are you all?
Okay, this is my
Okay.
mom!
Yeah, I realized my patience level is getting lower and lower.
With her, right? Yes. I think so.
No, with you.
With you lah, I'm saying with her lah.
Oh yeah.
This girl, okay, she's very blur. She booked the movie tickets.
The movie timing.
Yeah, it's the movie timing. It's
Yes.
at 8:40. She told me 8:40 for the longest time until last week, I think. She kept telling me 8:40.
Yes.
Okay,
No,
plan
before
our
we went,
time
before
and
we went out
everything.
also I said 8:40.
Yeah, so I was craving for ban mian, so we want to have dinner, right? So we went to eat ban mian. So we are actually doing the time lapse thingy, eating halfway. Suddenly she received a call from her sister and she said, "Where are you? The movie is 8:20." Then she said, "Shit!" Then we have to run. I haven't even finished my ban mian and we just
I finished
ran.
half already.
Yeah, I'm like so hungry and then we just ran.
She's a very slow eater, okay?
Yes, and we ran for the movie theatre.
What the heck?
Lynette! Say hello!
Okay, just finished the movie. Still handcuffed. Alicia need to pee.
And I really need to pee. So this is the toilet and we're gonna pee right now. Bye. It's been a long day, so I'm really tired and hungry because of this girl. Cannot! What's your reaction? Hey, what loser? We're gonna eat McDonald's. Super hungry. Let's go. Okay, Okay, we are done showering and I don't know what time is it right now, but it's 12-ish. I think after bathing.
Shiok,
So good.
shiok.
It's for promotion.
It's so good. It tastes like nasi lemak.
Alicia, you got chili on the inside of your mouth.
I cannot. Okay. Hey, so it's 2:40 a.m. in the morning and we're still handcuffed. Bye, Kenneth. And we are preparing to sleep.
Very tired already, very zoned out already.
Yep.
We will try to sleep with our handcuffs on.
Good night.
Bye, good night.
Morning.
Makeup and blow drying of hair was pretty
Yeah, it's
simple
easy.
for us.
Yeah, because we are using our dominant hand, so it's okay. But except for the blowing of her hair, she had to use some weird techniques, so I have to follow her motion or everything.
Yeah, finally I'm free.
How to get this off? We're back here in the office. Hey, Andric.
Are you ready to handcuff?
Duh. Goodbye, handcuffs. Freedom. I can like,
Never
roll
feel
my
so
wrist.
free before. Like 24 hours stuck with her. Like even if she want to take the slightest thing, like her handphone, I have to like walk with her. Yeah, the only thing I didn't torture her was I was feeling very urgent, like in the middle of the night, but I dare not wake her up. Because she sure
sleeping.
complain. Yeah, and
You
you
should, you should just wake me up.
Okay, but we are still good friends.
Yep.
Best friends. Yes, and that's all. Bye.
等天亮，拥抱着一起分享，能放心的哭一场，是在微笑的力量。只有你明白我的疯狂，不管故事有多长，世界对我太善良，这一路上有你坚强。